Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise 4G. Solve the following two-step problems using addition, subtraction and multiplication. Ask yourself the hidden questions first. Hansa had 124 matchbox covers. She got 22 more from her aunt. She gave 18 to a friend. How many does she have now? So, total 124 matchbox she has. Okay. 22, add 22. So, total 146. In that, she gave to minus, subtract. She has 128 matchbox. Okay. Next, 49 people are standing in a queue for tickets to see a movie. 27 people buy the tickets and leave. 12 more people join the queue. How many people are there in the queue now? So 49 people standing. Okay. In that 27 people left. Okay. So minus 2, 22. So again 12 more people joined. 12. Add. So now 34 people. Neha bought four hairbands, each costing 35. She gave the shopkeeper 200 rupees. How much money did she get back? Neha, for one it's 35. So she got 35 into 4. 140. So she gave 200 minus 140. 60 rupees. The ice cream seller has 20 vanilla ice creams, 34 pista ice creams and 42 chocolate ice creams. He sells 68 ice creams. How many ice creams are left with him? So 20 plus 34 plus 42. Add. Total he has 96. Okay. In that 68 he sold. So now he has 28. Okay. Suraksha had 12 owl-shaped eraser in her collection. Her sister Sunetra had double that number. How many owl-shaped eraser did both the sisters have? So she has 12. Sunetra had double. 12 into 2. 24. Add. Total 36 they have. Next, exercise 4H. Mixed problem solving. Solve. Use addition, subtraction, multiplication. Use the colored box for your calculation. Okay. A shop sold 575 bicycles in 1 month. It sold 127 more in the next month. How many bicycles did it sell in the next month? 575 bicycles in 1 month. Add. $702 bicycles. There are 15 shelves in the children's section of a library. If each shelf holds 8 books, how many books are there in all? 15 into 8. $120. Sanjay's lunch break is for 45 minutes. He uses 20 minutes to eat and 15 minutes to help a friend put up charts. How much time does he have left? Sanjay's lunch break is 45 minutes. Okay. He uses 20 minutes to eat. In that 20 minutes to eat. So 25 minutes and 15 minutes to help a friend put charts. Again 15 minutes to. So he has left 10 minutes. Jeevan has 423 bookmarks. Aarti has 384 bookmarks. How many bookmarks do they both have in all? 423 plus 384. 807 bookmarks. Sahil pasted 12 stamps on each page of his book. If he used 32 pages, how many stamps did he paste? 12 stamps for each page. If we use 32 into 12. 384. Out of 150 seats in a theatre, 128 are occupied. How many are empty? 150 minus 128. 22. Next, chapter checkup. Name the area and give its multiplication sentence. This is 3 by 6 area. 3 into 6, 18. Fill in the blanks. Dash into 45 is equal to 450. 10. Dash into 100 is 26 into 100. 150. Multiply. 993. Then the same you have to do. Okay. Find different ways to make the number in the center. Twelve into 2. 24 into 1. 6 into 6. 8 into 3. 2 into 18. 1 into 36. 6 into 6. 4 into 9. 12 into 3. Understood? A ship that can carry 125 people makes 6 trips from the mainland to an island. How many people does it take in all to the island if it carries 125 people in a trip? One 25 into 6. 750. Take the correct answer. Jahida bought 2 packets of 15 pencils each. She gave 12 pencils to her brother. How many pencils are left with Jahida? Two packets of 15 pencils each. 15 into 2, 30. She gave 12 pencils to her brother. 18. Understood? For this we finished our lesson multiplication. Tomorrow we will see division. Thank you.